So we will see today how we can do the resizing of the instance type. Change the instance type using automation using the lambda. Okay. So here we will see how we can do that. तो सपोज हम लोगों को यहाँ पे क्या करना है कि इंस्टेंस टाइप जो है वो ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज करना है यूजिंग द lambda function. So how we can do that? So we need to create two lambda functions, and also we need to create the role, and first step we will do here the role and policy, and we need to create the two lambda functions for that, and CloudWatch scheduling. Okay, so these three steps we will do. So how we can do that? So we will start from that, and so suppose आपके पास एक instance है, that this one instance we have, and we need to change the instance type using the automation like using the lambda. Okay, so how we can do that? So we will see. So step 1, create role and policy. So we need to create the role. All of you know that we need to go to the IAM role, IAM, then we can see here also the role option, then we can select the role and create the role. Click on the create role after that. So we will see here so next here we need to select lambda and next permissions, and then select here basic lambda, lambda basic execution role, and then next, and give here the name modify EC2 role. Okay, the same written here, and then create role. So we have created the role, then we need to create here the policy. Okay, so go to the IAM, and after that go to the policy. We need to create here the policy, create policy. In policy we need to choose here choose service, and we need to select here, हम लोग को यहाँ पे select करना पड़ेगा EC2. Select EC2, and then here 4 actions we need to select. One is the start instance, then stop instance. Okay, so start instance, stop instance, then modify instance, instance attribute. Okay, modify instance attribute, and then describe instance. So these 4, describe instance, this one. So after that we need to click on the resources here, then select specific. So if we select here any in this account, so it will show you the all the instance here. If we want to do for any particular instance, तो अब यहाँ पे हम लोगों को एक ही instance के लिए करना है. Okay, so start and stop using the automation. So we need to copy and paste the instance ID and go to the same that tab and click on add ARN and click on any here region, and then copy and paste our instance ID and add, and after that next, here also the next, and give here the name modify EC2 policy. So this policy we have created, then click on create. Here create policy. So we have created the policy also. So right now we'll see here. Okay, so this policy we need to attach to the role. Okay, so go to the role, and click on the role, and we need to attach that the policy. Okay, so here is the role, then we have clicked on the modify EC2 role, and then we need to attach that the policy. तो वो जो पॉलिसी हम लोगों ने क्रिएट की थी वो हम लोग यहाँ पे अभी अटैच करेंगे. ओके, सो मॉडिफाई EC2 policy. Okay, so attach policy, click on attach policy, and then we will see after that we need to create here the functions, two functions for the lambda function. Step 2 we have done the step 1, then step 2 we will do create function. So first function modify T2 micro to medium. Okay, modify micro to medium. So we need to select here the runtime as 3.9 Python, that is the latest, and choose an existing role. We have already created that the role that we need to select, modify EC2 role and create function. So this first function we have created, and which code we need to give. So I am giving you here the codes, which code we need to apply. So these are the codes. So copy this and we need to delete this and paste here. So this, in this code, the two changes we need to do only, that instance type of our, so this is our the instance type that have the T2 micro right now. Okay, so in this code we need to give here the instance ID here, and so T2 micro we need to convert to the T2 medium, so that's why I have given here. तो हम लोग को यहाँ पे T2 micro से T2 medium में करना है, तो इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे T2 medium का यहाँ पे instance type दे दिया है. तो यहाँ पे ये दो चेंजेस करने पड़ेंगे सिर्फ, बाकी एज इट इज ही रहेगा. एंड गो टू द कॉन्फ़िगरेशन एंड टाइम आउट विल बी 2 minutes. Okay, so save it. So after that we can write. Okay, so we can test it now. Let's see. So right now it's T2 micro, and we can click on test. So let's see here that instance is stopping, and right now the instance type is T2 micro. Okay, so after some time it will change to T2 medium. It's stopping now, our instance. Okay, right now it stops state. Okay, let's see here. It's coming in a pending state with the instance type here T2 medium. So it will come in running state after some time. Okay, so that means it works. And also we will see here the codes execution is succeeded and hello from the lambda. Okay, as like the we need to create the second function also. So we will create the second function, modify medium to micro. Modify medium to micro. अभी हम लोग इसके जैसे हम लोग अभी सेकंड फंक्शन है अभी यहाँ पे हम लोग तैयार करेंगे. एंड द सेम Python 3.9 execution rule and use an existing rule, modify EC2 and create function. Same we need to copy and paste that the code. So here we need to give here the instance ID that already I have given that. We can see here this is the instance ID, and here we need to change T2 micro to T2 medium to T2 micro, because right now it's T2 micro, T2 medium. So we need to change medium to micro. So that's why T2 micro will be there, and click on deploy and configuration and edit, and we need to select here 2 minutes and save it. So right now our instance is in T2 medium, so we need to again revert back like to the change the instance type T2 medium to T2 micro. So that's why we need to test that one also. So let's see, we have the second function we have created. So click on test and let's see. So it's, you can see here right now it's stopping. So so after some time it will go to the, so instance type is here right now T2 medium, it will change to the T2 micro. Okay, it's showing one error. Let's see with that. Here we can see T2 MCR. We need to micro give here and click on deploy. That O is remaining from my side, so that's why it's throwing that the error. So let's test again that. Okay, and see it's the instance type is changed right now, so we can see the medium to micro it's coming, and our code is running correctly. And also we can see here it's hello from the Lambda. So after that, so it's pending state, so it will come in run state. So we can see here the T2 micro is coming here. Okay, so if we want to set the scheduling, so how we can do that? So using the CloudWatch we will do. So in a CloudWatch, when we go, so it's coming in running state here. Okay, so in a CloudWatch we will set up here the scheduling of that the EC2 instance, that changing the EC2 instance type, and this is automation will be like we need to, आपको भी एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे वहाँ पे ये ऑटोमेशन होना चाहिए, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग शेड्यूल कर सकते हैं. So we need to go to the CloudWatch rules, click on rules and click on schedule and cron expressions, click on learn more. So it will open this page and go to the downward side and copy this cron expression. This is a sample rule, cron rule. Copy and paste here in CloudWatch expression. Remove one space from this. एक एक स्पेस हम लोग यहाँ पे निकालेंगे, तो यहाँ पे शेड्यूल दिखा रहे हैं. तो आपको सपोज मॉर्निंग में 9 o'clock ये चेंज होना चाहिए, माइक्रो टू मीडियम होना चाहिए, माइक्रो टू मीडियम होना चाहिए, तो हम लोग यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 3:30. ओके, 3:30. 3:30 क्यों लिखा है हम लोगों ने? वाई वी राइट 3:30 बिकॉज 3:30 प्लस 5:30 इज 9. सो 9 AM, 9 इसका मतलब इंडिया में 5:30 प्लस 3:30 कितना हो जाता है? सो विल बी हियर 5:30 plus 5 plus 3 will be the 8 and 9 AM. Yeah, correct. And here also 17:30 plus 5:30. What will be the answer here? 23.00. That means here in India the 11 PM. Okay, so like this we need to assume that in India, so we need to plus 5:30 in timing that. So if we want to do morning 9 AM, lambda function we need to select, and morning 9 AM it will change to micro to medium. So that's why in function we have to created two function, दो select किए थे हम लोग, create किए हुए थे functions. तो micro to medium यहाँ पे select करना है और configure details. So micro to medium, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग फर्स्ट यहाँ पे रूल क्रिएट कर सकते हैं और यहाँ पे क्रिएट रूल. तो ये वो टाइमिंग पे ऊपर ये जो आपका T2 माइक्रो है तो उससे वो मीडियम में हो जाएगा. और सेकंड हम लोगों को वहाँ पे क्लाउड वॉच में रूल रिवर्ट बैक करना है, तो क्रिएट सेकंड रूल एंड मीडियम टू माइक्रो, और वहाँ पे कितना देना पड़ेगा आपको 1730. ओके, तो 1730 तो वहाँ पे हम लोगों को देना पड़ेगा. तो फिर वो 11 o'clock को क्या कर देगा कि जो आपका मीडियम है, मीडियम इंस्टेंस टाइप, उसको माइक्रो में बदल देगा ऑटोमेटिकली. Okay, thank you so much all of you. I hope all of you understand that how we can do the automation using the Lambda function. Thank you so much all of you. So subscribe our channel also. So you will get the notification new. तो आपको यहाँ पे नया वीडियो हम लोग जो डालेंगे क्रिएट करेंगे उसका नोटिफिकेशन भी आपको मिल जाएगा. या थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू.